Hi, it's Josh from Apt, CES 2016. We are in drone land here, and all these drones everyone have are recording video and they're having fun just flying them around. But Rob here at Stampede, which is a distribution company that does a lot more than just provide drones. You've got cool services. Walkera is one of your brands. Now, this seems to be a very unique version here as far as when you compare it to how all the other guys are operating. What makes their series unique?
So what we have represented here at CES 2016 with Walkera is drone racing. Drone racing, some of the latest craze right now out in the market. And these two drones here, so we'll start here on the far left with the Runner 250. What the Runner is, this allows you to build your own drone or purchase a drone that's ready to fly. But it's drone racing, so they're very fast, agile, easy to move around. And as you can see in this one, only one camera on it right up front. Why they put one camera on it is for first-person view. So if you want to use the Goggle3, you can now put the goggles on. All you're seeing in those goggles is what's coming out of that camera. Makes it a little bit more interesting. So you're trying to fly this drone around, seeing just what the drone is seeing, first-person view. Virtual reality now is huge. Walkera addresses that issue there. The next one, the Furious 320, it's brand new for 2016. Takes drone racing in the Walkera lineup to the next level. What this is going to do is allow your props to move a little bit here, so they're going to tilt forward and backwards, allowing for a little bit easier takeoff and landing, and also a little bit more agility in flight. In-flight agility in drone racing is especially important because a lot of these courses that they're creating are either indoors in very tight spaces where you have to fly in a very confined hole, or I've seen people fly down actually just a steel pipe, or you go outside dodging trees, branches, rocks, over different things.
Yeah, I was going to ask, because when these guys are racing, it's not like there's not a huge amount of abilities to like customize the speed and power, is there?
Speed and power, top-end speed is definitely going to be a factor, but at the same time, what I understand is they have different classes of drone racing, so the faster your drone, the different class.
So it's about control.
But it is 100% about control, because when you have to put a drone that is 8 inches wide through a space that's probably about a foot by a foot, you need that agility and control.
So people are missing and smashing it sometimes?
Most definitely.
That's got to be heartbreaking.
It most definitely is, but that's at the same time why drone racing has taken off so much, is because all these people want to master that craft. And
really cool.
Yep.
The Goggle3, all right, so you put these on and now you have access to the camera of, you said the Runner 250. Can I utilize the Goggle3 for the new Furious 320?
You can, and actually with the new Furious 320 is where these goggles came from, but they're making it backwards compatible as well.
Oh, okay.
So you can use it with all their models. Walkera did come out with a previous model, but this is now the Goggle3 is their upgraded model. The best of the best. You're getting high quality video and accurate video.
Does that perspective suddenly, like someone because that's relatively new, right?
Yes.
Okay, so people that have been flying drones, they know how to fly drones, they're pros at it, they're ready to race. If they put these goggles on and now have a perspective of the drone, is that going to be like throwing them off for a curveball, or suddenly making them like the kings of the world?
It's going to do a little of both. So somebody that's not used to seeing that different aspect, you're definitely, because at the same time, drone flying, you have to know your surroundings.
Right.
But then when you put these goggles on, I can't see where the end of my props are. So you have to know, you have to almost sense looking so far in front of you to say, okay, there's a tree coming up. I can't get too far to the left or I'm going to hit the tree.
It's like you're inside it now.
You're inside the drone. So you're in the cockpit. So you are the pilot. So you're on these large aircraft. You never know what it looks like looking out the front of the plane.
It's amazing.
Now with these goggles, you do.
That's cool. Availability, these are all available now, coming out soon?
These are all available now. The Furious 320 was just released in 2016 here at CES.
Awesome.
So that'll be available here in the near future, but it'll be a lot sooner than some of the other manufacturers.
Cool update. Racing. It'll be a new racing channel now, huh?
Drone racing. It's going to be brand new. You never know. It may come to even like ESPN, ABC. Who knows?
Sounds like the future.
Sounds like.
All right. Thanks a lot, Rob.
Thanks.
All right. Drones everywhere here at CES 2016. We've got some drone racing, so you can see where that's headed. That sounds really cool. And check out blog.apt.com for more information.